Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make croissants in a generic cooking game. First, gather your 3 basic ingredients, flour, water, and yeast. Combine these in a large bowl, mixing until a soft, pliable dough forms. Knead the dough for about 5 minutes until it's smooth. Then, cover it and let it rest for 15 minutes. This allows the yeast to activate, giving your croissants that perfect rise and texture. It's a simple first step to delicious results. Next, prepare your butter block. Take 100 grams of cold butter and flatten it into a 6 by 6 inch square. Now, roll out your dough to roughly twice the size of your butter block. Carefully place the butter in the center of the dough. Fold the dough over the butter, sealing all the edges completely. This creates the essential layers for flaky croissants. Ensure no butter peeks out, as this is crucial for proper lamination. Now for the lamination process. Roll out your dough into a long rectangle. Perform a book fold by folding 1/3 of the dough over the middle, then the other third over that. This creates 3 layers. Chill the dough for 20 minutes after each fold. You'll repeat this rolling, folding, and chilling process a total of 3 times. This meticulous layering is what gives croissants their signature flaky texture and rich buttery flavor. Finally, it's time to shape and bake. Roll your dough to about 1/4 inch thickness and cut it into triangles. Starting from the wide end, roll each triangle towards the point to form your croissant shape. Place them on a baking sheet. For an even easier cleanup after your baking adventures, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Bake your croissants at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes, or until golden brown. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.